good old GT85. It's trying to help me on this toilet repair. Now what's happened is one of the closed coupling bolts, this one is came loose really easy. This one on this side is rusted, very rusted. And I can't get it to spin, so I've been jiggling the tank. Now what I had to do was take out the water supply so that it wouldn't hit the pipe over here when I'm moving it. So I'm wiggling it. Now what I'm trying to do is take a screwdriver. I think I might go get a chisel in a second because it's a bit sharper. Where'd all the screwdrivers go? Oh, here we go. And holding this on is a big round nut. And I'm trying to see if I can get that thing to turn a little bit. It should, you know, it's plastic on plastic, so it should turn. But so far, I don't know if I'm, well, you hit each corner. There's about a little corner, so you get it going there, and you come up to the next corner. But it doesn't seem to be moving. I might be able to get a wrench on it in a minute. If I can get a wrench on it, then I can get this other one off. But, so, see, I can wiggle it quite a bit. And eventually, that other side down here on the right-hand side is so rusty, it should come loose. Now, I've already warned the customer that I'm having to apply extra force here, and I can't be responsible if the toilet gets broken. But I think I'm going to go see if I got a little chisel now and see if I can get that nut to come loose. Because if I get this loose, I think that tank, I should be able to see something better anyway. Should help get that out of there. Not sure if it's really going to help, but we'll see what happens.